Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Geoffrey Gikud. In case you are new, just hit the subscribe button. So in this video, I'll be taking you through how to get started on the Fantom Network and the way you can buy from the centralized exchanges like the Binance, Huobi, KuCoin and others. And then another way that I'm going to show you is on just the DEX, the DeFi ecosystem. So in case you have your tokens into your wallet from one chain, I'll be showing you how you can bridge from one network to another and now get started on the Fantom Network. So let's jump into the video. So if you're looking to get started on the Fantom Network, first thing what you need to have is a crypto wallet. I believe if you're someone looking to get started on the Fantom Network, you already know about crypto. So maybe you have some crypto with you already. And let's say they are like in the Binance Smart Chain or the Ethereum network. So what you need to do, you can send over those tokens you have into your wallet into a central exchange, and then use them to buy the Fantom, and then send them over to your trust wallet using the Fantom Network. So let's assume you are using Binance, and if you're looking to get started on the Binance exchange, you can check out down in the description for our link to get started with them. We've also made a video about Binance, so if you don't know how to do trade on Binance, check out our video about Binance. So you can send your tokens to Binance, then use those tokens to trade for the FTM, and then send them over to your trust wallet using the FTM network. Or another option of, if you don't want to go the long way, you can just use your trust wallet. So we'll be using a bridge. This one is called Elk Finance. So you'll just type there, then you'll use the Binance Smart Chain. I'm trying to assume that you are going to be using your tokens in a Binance Smart Chain network. So first you'll need the BNB, because it will be used as a gas. So you have your BNB in your wallet, or BUSD, whatever the token, but you must have some BNB because it's going to be used as a gas. Then you head over to the Elk Finance. So here we are in the swap section. So what you'll need to do is now use your token to buy some Elk, because you are going to use this bridge. So let's assume you're going to use your BNB. Then use your BNB to buy this Elk token. So this Elk token will be in the Binance Smart Chain. So once you've bought your Elk tokens, you'll now come here to the ElkNet. So here in the ElkNet is what we are going to use to bridge over to the Fantom Network. So you'll have your Elk, then the major part you need to do is click this part to swap Elk one for gas, so that one Elk is going to be converted to the Fantom Network, because you'll need Fantom itself in its own network for the completion of conversion of this Elk BSC to Elk FTM. So you need to click this one to be on, so that it can be swap one Elk for gas for the FTM token. So once you do that, then now you click the chain that you want to bridge over to. So we'll be using the FTM. So you can do this to send directly this Elk BSC to the Elk FTM, and then also have the gas. So again, if you are going to send to a different wallet, let's assume you are not going to be using your trust wallet, you can just click here, send to a different wallet, then paste the address for that wallet that you want to use. So that's how you can now use it to bridge over from the BSC network and then to the FTM network. So first thing you need to do is have your tokens into your wallet at whatever the network you're going to use, because this Elk Finance supports a variety of networks. So you can be having Avax, you can be having Chronos, Elasto, all these networks. So whatever the token you have with you, then you can now swap them over from that network to the Fantom network. So what we'll be swapping will be the Elk token, and then it will be going over to the other network. So once you reach there, you're going to use now the DEX in that network, in the Fantom network for this example, because we are talking about Fantom. So you're going to use the DEXs in the Fantom network to swap your Elk to the Fantom token. So that's how you can easily get started on the Fantom network. So first off, you need to know how to convert. If you still don't have any crypto with you, you first need to know how to get your fiat currency to the crypto world. So that one, it's very easy. Just use central exchanges. Something like Binance will give you very good deals. You can also use Coinbase. Coinbase is a very good exchange. So first with Coinbase, you'll need to buy the Bitcoin. You can also I guess they also have the Fantom. They support the Fantom network, so you can just buy Fantom directly using your bank card. But now I mostly prefer Binance when it comes to exchange, because they have a variety of tokens with them. So if you want to go there another long way still, you can buy USDT in Binance, send them over to KuCoin or Huobi, then use them to buy your FTM, because sometimes you may find that certain network in Binance are suspended for withdrawals. So if at all you find that FTM network is suspended for withdrawal, you can always use other networks to run away with your money. So you can just use your BSC, or you can use let's say like Binance Coin, you can use Litecoin, or the USDT. For USDT, I'd likely to urge you to be using the USDT TRC20 whenever you want to withdraw to other exchanges. So you find these exchanges that support USDT TRC20, just withdraw from Binance using the TRC20, because the charges are so minimal. So once you withdraw to that exchange, now you'll be able to buy the Fantom token and then send it over to your trust wallet. You can also use the Metamask, because it's a very good wallet. So if you are looking to get started with the Metamask, we have a video on how to add different networks to the Metamask wallet, and now you can still use the same with this Elk Finance. So that's it about getting started with the Fantom. So now I want to show you the DEXs in the Fantom network that now you can use to swap these Elk tokens to the Fantom token, and now you can now just hold the token into your wallet. But if you want to get more exposure with the Fantom network, there are many ways you can now stake this token and earn more from this token, instead of just letting them sit into your wallet. So you'll need to come to the FTM scan, so that now you can grab the contract address for this Elk token, because when you go to the DEX that I'm going to show you, when you just search it in the DEX, they don't really show it. So you need to come to FTM scan and now get this Elk contract address. So now we have here, we can now see some details about this token. The supply is 1.6 million, the holders 1.9k. Now we have the contract address. So this is what we now copy, and then we now go and use it in the DEX that we have with us. Now we go and use the DEX that we have with us. Okay, so once you have copied that contract address, you'll come to this DEX called SpookySwap.finance. Then now you just paste that contract address in the search, and then it will now add that token. So you can see now saying that new, because I've never added it here. So we just click add, then there's some info here, just click you understand and confirm, and then now we are good to go. So Remember when we just swapped that elk from the BSC to the FTM, we transferred elk to our FTM network. So we'll be having the elk tokens. It won't be zero. If at all we bought, I didn't buy, I was just showing you. Then we'll be having that FTM that was swapped one for gas in our wallet. So what we'll now need to do is now just exchange. You can exchange max elk to the FTM, or now you can now decide what you want to do. Then now just swap elk to the FTM token. So with that, now you'll be ready to go on the FTM network. So now you can do everything you need to do to get started on the FTM network. So this video is just on how to get started on the Fantom network, not much diving deep on the staking part or how you can earn more from the Fantom network. But I'll be making another video on how you can now stake your Fantom on the Fantom network and use different DeFi protocol that have much better rewards as compared to just leaving your Fantom token in your wallet or just staking it with the central exchanges. So if you want to check out that, we'll be posting that. You can check out on how to stake on the Fantom network and earn even much more rewards. So with that knowledge, guys, I get now ready to get started on the Fantom network with the very minimal low cost on whenever you're trading. That's what I really do love about the Fantom network. There's so minimal gas cost in this network. So guys, let me see you again in another project to bring to you. Peace, guys.